My name is Andrew Bedini from CR Kennedy here in Sydney, Australia. We are the exclusive Leica Geosystems distributors here. Today I'm really excited to talk to you about the arrival of the AP20 kit for the iCON Intelligent Construction System. Now the AP20 has been out in the geodesy field for a little while now and has been so greatly received that it is now finally available for our building and construction customers. Now the purpose of today's video is just to give you a brief overview on what comes with the AP20 kit. Now first of all, we have the CCD18 radio handle. This is a brand new addition in the iCON range. Now the reason why we need the CCD18 radio handle is to enable effective communication between the AP20 module and the total station itself. With the increased amount of data transferred between the two, a brand new radio handle is required. And of course, as with our other radio handles, comes with an antenna also here. Secondly, I want to talk to you about the actual AP20 module itself. Now, it comes in a lovely protective bag, of course, and in here we will find two batteries for the AP20. Now these are unique and will only fit into the AP20 module. However, they will be compatible with all the existing Leica chargers. Now here you'll see the AP20 module itself. Now initially, with the iCON Intelligent Construction System, we are offering the AP20 module, which has all three functionalities, which is target ID, automatic height, and automatic tilt functionality. Later on, we will also be adding to the fleet the AP20 modules, which only have single functionalities of either of those three. Now the last piece of the puzzle is the CRP4 brand new carbon fiber building and construction pole. Now we've had to come up with a brand new pole, understandably, so we can allow the AP20 module to sit on top and work in conjunction with our MPR 122 prism. And there we have it, the AP20 kit, our batteries, radio handle, brand new pole, the AP20 module itself, and you can look forward to some more videos on the functionality with the AP20, my iCON Intelligent Construction software, and how it all works together. And remember, when it has to be right, choose Leica Geosystems. Thanks for watching.